Good day everyone! Andito tayo ngayon sa Antel Grand Village at particularly dito tayo ngayon sa California Model House, one of the guest and one of the fastest or the best-selling model house dito po sa Antel Grand Village and Aniana because of the size of the lot and because of the size of the floor area and the number of bedrooms kasi meron siyang 5 bedrooms, 3 bathroom and 2 car garage. Gusto niyo makita ang facade ng property? Well, tingnan natin. At ito nga yung bahay natin. No? This is the facade of the property, California Model House with a total area of 175 square meters. Kitang-kita nyo naman yung parking niyan, dalawa. And then you have the porch and then a green. So maganda ang bahay, lalo na sa corner. Diba? So ito po ay ginagawa ng 365 working days. Hindi kasama Saturday and Sunday. So if you want to purchase a California model, ginagawa po ito ay more than 1 year. Kasi hindi kasama ang Saturday and then the Sunday. Pero kung gusto nyo po ay gagawin na agad yung property, well, kailangan po i-process na natin agad siya sa bangko or sa gusto nyo po ang preferred banks na gusto nyo. Once we receive the LOG from the bank and a full payment sa inyo down payment, then we will start the house construction. Floor area, 103 square meters. Okay. Isa ito sa ating best-selling. And then the other one is the Nevada Model House. Ito siya, guys. Alright, ayan. At ito yung ating neighborhood. Ang ganda ng ating community. Kitang-kita nyo naman. Napakadami dito mga puno. Shout out po sa ating mga clients na piloto. Kay Sir Mark Santiago ng Philippine Airlines. Kay Mr. June ng Philippine Airlines. At kay Ma'am Rowena ng Philippine Airlines. Okay. And sa ating mga clients na mga accountant, doctors, lawyers, business owners, at yung ating mga clients na nasa abroad, no, na nagsisikap kahit na mapalayo sa pamilya para sa kanilang kinabukasan. Well, this video is for you. This is very raw, intended for our OFWs, intended for the buyers na nasa abroad na nangarap magkaroon ng isang housing project or house and lot dito sa Philippines. Well, ito pong ginagawa namin ay para sa inyo. Okay, so back on the tour. So, nakita nyo na ang ganda ng ating facade. Well, isa lang ito sa mga model houses natin dito sa Antel Grand Village and Aniana. So, we have Sydney Model House, Tokyo Model House, New York Model House, Paris Model House, Nevada, Florida Model House, at pwede rin itong lot only wherein pwede kayong magpagawa ng sarili nyong design. Kung mayroon kayong kaibigan, kakilala, kamag-anak ng mga arkitekto or engineers at mga contractors, well, pwede dito sa Aniana and Antel Grand Village. Provided, susunod tayo sa DOR o Deed of Restrictions ng atin pong development project. So, meron kaming lot only and house and lot package. Very practical ang bumili ng house and lot because after paying the down payment, kasi humingi na dito ng 10 to 15% down payment, then the remaining 85% to 90% through bank financing. Well, once nakapag-pay na po kayo ng down payment and a letter of guarantee with the bank plus the loan proceeds, well, we will turn over the property lalo na kung ang na-purchase ninyo ay ready for occupancy. Then, di ba? Napakadali. Very easy, lalo na kung kayo ay mga Filipino o married to a foreigner or a foreigner married to a Filipino or anak niyo po mga parents ay natural born Filipino. Ayun po ang pwedeng makapag-acquire ng property and pwede rin po corporation, partnership or organization, no? Mag-acquire dito ng property dito sa Antel Grand Village and Aniana Antel Tanza. Well, sa donation, pwede din. Kung mayroon kayong maraming ari-arian at gusto nyo rin i-donate yung inyong mga ari-arian sa inyong isa sa mga matalik na kaibigan o very close kayo, well, pwede rin yan ang deed of donation. So, you can purchase a property dito sa Aniana and Antel Grand Village na may napakaganda ng very easy payment terms and the documentations. So if you're interested or anyone interested, message us today. So my name is Ray, a real estate broker and a real estate appraiser here in the Philippines. Thank you so much, guys. By the way, na our location, we are located Barangay Bacau 2, General Trias, Cavite at 22 minutes drive to Manila via Cavitex. Depende pa rin sa inyong pag-drive kung gaano kayo kabilis magpa-takbo ng inyo pong kabayo. Ayan. So thank you so much, guys, and I hope to see you in our next video. God bless everyone.